Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Amrisha and a special welcome to you for joining the party. My heart is literally jumping with joy. One, because we are doing another unboxing video, and number two, we are doing my first ever Shein haul. I did order from Shein before, but that was post-COVID and then I sort of forgot about them. But when Cupcake announced the new 45% tax, it propelled my mom and I to order again. Let me just get this right. From the 1st of July, SARS has committed to taxing clothing items manufactured internationally and bought from international e-tailers like Temu and Shein in small quantities under 500 at the same rate as if it was 500 Rand and more. So currently, clothing imports to South Africa are subject to a 45% import duty plus value-added tax. But when our SARS here decided to increase the import tax, we just had to order again. I placed my order on the 29th of June and it arrived exactly 1 week later, which was yesterday. And I don't know if you can see this tiny hole. However, I channeled every ounce of my willpower and did about 10,000 woosahs to not rip open the package as soon as it came, just so I could share this moment with you guys. A little bit of logistics before we dive in. The total cost of my order was 1,688 Rand. And the import tax came to about 427 Rand. So in total, it was about 2k. And previously when I ordered, it came via Buffalo. Now I guess they changed it to iMile. They were quite efficient, which I liked. So even though I knew we weren't gonna make it before the law was implemented, we still now have this huge bag of clothes that needs to be unboxed. So enough talking, let's get to it. First, some ASMR. Oh my god, did I show you guys the package with my address on it? Yeah, by the way, if any of you guys have any packages being delivered, just save yourself the trouble and send it to me. I'll unbox it for you, darling. Oh my god! Wow! So first of all, it came with this little pamphlets that say Shein, save money, live in style. Extra 10% off with a code. So I'm gonna start with the accessories. The first thing I got was this cute two-piece bow deco clip in red. I am loving the coquette aesthetic. Anything with bows, give it to me. Oh, these are really nice. It has like a velvety feel to it. Very good quality. Oh my god! This is so cute! Here I am. Just stick a bow in it. I really like these ones because these clips go in the direction that you're pushing the hair. So this one obviously is for your right hand side, and then this clip is in the opposite direction. But the one from Cotton On, both the clips are in the same direction. So that's why when I'm putting the left hand side, I have to put it this way, which is not how it's supposed to go. Bonus points to Shein for getting these little clippy things right. We have another bow. So ribbon bow knot comes in 2 colors. I got the white and pink, and then oh my god, there's so many here. These cute little ones at the top of your plaid. These clippies are on the same side. So are the pink ones. But anyway, I should minus the points I gave y'all earlier. Ooh! I love my bows. I think that was all the accessories. So I also got these storage plastic bags. If you live in an Indian house, you know that lehengas take up more space than actual duvet sets. We need a lot of storage. Oh, it comes with a cute pattern. Oh, this is big. Wool size, maybe just about 1 lehenga if you leave out the scarves. These are really pretty. This is nice to have in your drawer, you know, just for the aesthetic instead of those boring clear ones. So definitely be ordering these more. Let's move on to the clothes. What shall we start off with first? First item includes Satin Blouse. Wow. Right off the bat, I am loving the material. I ordered it in a small. As you can see, these little tie-up things. I wanted more blouses, so this is more like formal wear, and I love the feel of satin on my skin. It's just so smooth. Numero uno on. Obviously it will look better once the crinkles are ironed out. I am obsessed with these tops that have this tie-up in front. And there you go. It also has two little buttons here. They are all tucked in. It's giving professionalism. Cute. I forgot to show you guys one more accessory. This is a plain white headband. You know, I could just go to Lovisa or whatever and get one from South Africa, but it just seems so much of effort to go to the mall and find one of these. Instead, it was just quicker to order it from another country. Oh, nice. Alright, so I will be wearing this when I go play paddle. Shein, you are winning. Numero uno was perfecto. Let's see. Dos. Uno, dos, tres. Tria. This is a sweetheart wrap puff sleeve top. It's not very stretchy. Got this in a size small. As you can see, red is the theme here, guys. Just is a bit small. It does have a zip in the back. It's not a scratchy material, it's just not very stretchy. This one it looks like a cropped. I feel like I'm liking it more this way. Ooh, so here's the thing. As soon as I placed my order, I realized that size might be a little problem. You see, the shoulders are falling off, but chest is tight. Next item on the list, navy blue knitted blouse top. And it has these gold buttons attached to it. I also got this in a size small. Feels very good quality. It's not see-through. Imagine wearing this to play golf, hit a tee. Okay, I am actually in love. This is so gorgeous and it feels so soft on my hands. Imagine wearing this with like white pants and brown boots. 10 out of 10. I especially love the V neckline. It fits perfectly. It's not too tight and it's not that loose. That's the back. This is 10 out of 10. Just imagine me riding a horse in this. Let's just finish the rest of the video in this. Also in the navy blue shade. So this is the satin tie neck bishop sleeve blouse. And I also got it in the size small. Ooh, cute! This also I can tell is very high quality. Like this bow itself is thick. She thick. The sleeves also have a little bit of some ruffle crunchy thing going on here. The sleeves are also scrunched at the bottom here. This smells really nice. Oh my god. I can smell this the whole day. What is that? It smells like... It's like the new car smell. Okay, let's stop smelling the clothes and actually put them on. I feel like a corporate girly. This brand on Shein is called Shein Bay, and I must say their quality is spot on. This is thicker than the first blouse that I tried on. Oh my gosh, look at this! This is sleek. I can definitely see myself wearing this for some of our presentations that we do at medical school. I'm starting with psychiatry next block, so hell yeah, I'm wearing this when I'm presenting my case. The detailing is immaculate. Like, look at that. It's probably my second favorite so far. Just a heads up to my mom, I will be ordering this in many more colors. I feel... Yes, darling. The patient in bed 6. Honestly, that was satin, guys. The best. Jolly now. I'm losing daylight. Oh my gosh! Let us do this one. So, you know how you keep adding things to your cart with no intention of ever checking out? Well, this little cutie patootie has been in my cart for a while. Oh my god! Here it is. It's got this huge collar. This is the Daisy Statement Color Sleeve Puff Blouse. I think this is 100% cotton. This is more like the Korean style type clothing. Love these statement collars. I got this in a size medium. Alright. Also needs a bit of ironing. Oops. Don't want to be flashing people now. It's so cute. Look at these colors. Wow. And it also has this little flap at the back. Honestly, I would tuck it in. You guys have no idea how long this has been sitting in my cart. Oh, she cute. So the reviews for this top said it's a bit tight on the arm area. I'm actually not feeling it tight, but if you want to size up just based on that. Alright, moving on to our last top. It is this sheer long sleeve pink silky top, obviously with a bow if you're not seeing the trend. So if you guys watched My Demon, which is a K-drama, she had this similar top and I loved it so much and I just wanted to get my hands on one. And the thing is, the shops in Zara and Forever New don't even have this style tops, which makes me sad, but not anymore. So anyway, this is a floral print collar bow tie long sleeve puff shirt. Alright, it also seems to have a button to tie at the bottom, and from the get-go I knew when I ordered it that you have to wear a shirt inside because even in the pictures she is wearing a shirt. Got this in a size small and the color is baby pink. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. This one doesn't have a smell. Let me go smell. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm actually shocked. Like, wait, I'm not wearing any camisoles underneath and it's not see-through. I was fully expecting it to be a little sheer. Okay, read the bow. What are you going with? It does have the double layer which stops before the arms. Cute. It's very soft. It's very soft and it's also not that scratchy material. I am noticing now most of the clothes that I got is from the brand Daisy. So if you're looking for like soft clothes, definitely hit them up. I actually forgot we do have one more. So this is a flare sleeve button down blouse and it is from the brand Moodly. Okay. And oh, this one does not have a bow. Ooh, this is what it looks like. Oh, it has these little like bell cups. Wow. And this is definitely for more fancier events. It comes in 3 colors, so they have a purple and a black. I got the beige one. This one you might have to wear a strapless bra because it is sheer material on the chest. Before we go try on the last 2 items, quick gulab jam break. The white top was a bit too tight. Don't want to get banned on YouTube, so I will not be showing you how that one fits. We are moving on to our very last. Save the best for last. This is a puff sleeve front tie-up dress from Parthia. Oh, wow. This is really soft. This also smells nice. Okay. Oh, I am so excited to try this on. This is what it's looking like. It has a little tie up front. So I do have one similar to this, but it doesn't have the tie, does it? I don't think, but it's like a white creamish pattern with florals on it. And this is pink. It's very long. It has an underlining to it. And it does have a slit like the other ones, but the material stops just past the slit, so that's good. Yeah, I love this color. Also, it's very thick. It's thicker than what I expected it to be because it's more of a summery dress. I thought it would be a bit lightweight, but it's got some weight to it. This was actually the most expensive item. It was 331 Rand. Was it you that cost me the 500 Rand shipping? This beautiful dress will definitely fare well with some beach picnics and flower picking outings. Oh my gosh, this is giving Bridgerton vibes. Like, look at this beauty. It also has a zip at the back. Okay, it seems like we're finally gone through everything. And all in all, I would say this was a successful Shein haul, being my first one. The white top I will be returning as soon as I figure out how. I am actually impressed by the quality. Seems like they have definitely improved over the last 3 years. If you guys have any suggestions, anything you want me to unbox or try for the first time, just drop it in the comments below or DM me. मैं बहुत भूख लगी है और नानी अच्छा खाना बनाया है. Ooh! So shukriya, बहुत shukriya for staying till the end. Now that you've found this channel, I hope that you stay and subscribe and become a star. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye! Princess Amri has arrived. Bonjour, mademoiselle. Somebody eat my croissant. There's a lot of cleaning up to do now.